like eating fat. It has bones inside. Oh wait, this one is, it's not spicier as you eat. No, don't for me. I just don't know how to describe it. Wait. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I was actually planning to record this video in the future, but something unexpected happened. I went to Family Mart, and while wandering in Family Mart, I stumbled upon a few really cool snacks that I was like, wow, I've never tried and seen these snacks before. And I shared with my friend Crystal. Some of you may remember Crystal from my previous video because she made me try pig brain and it was really rough. If you haven't seen it yet, make sure to check out the full video because it's fun. And she gave me a few more snacks. So today we're going to check out with you 5 Chinese snacks that you can normally buy in Family Mart. So let's go. I was genuinely excited to try this one. Lotus root is such a popular vegetable here in China. It grows wherever there is water. It's commonly used in soups, steamed dishes, and as a side dish. I often add lotus in my malatang soup. It's a DIY soup where you can choose ingredients and lotus goes there really well. Sometimes I use it to replace potato. But did you know that it's also rich in fiber and vitamin C? You know that in China, everyone is obsessed with traditional Chinese medicine. In traditional Chinese medicine, lotus root starch is considered to be a health supplement. It can improve your digestion and it can have a positive impact on your body. Now let's check out this snack. So this lotus snack has 4 individual small packs inside. Every small pack contains 2 slices of lotus that look like this. All right, let's give it a shot. I'm worried, to be honest. The first thing that comes to my mind is raw potato. Yeah, tastes like raw potato covered in oily, spicy Chinese sauce. I like it. It's really nice. I think it's a healthy alternative to some other snacks. And it's really addictive. Once you've tried one, you want more and more and more. I can totally imagine myself eating it as a snack, as a kid, because it's fun, it's crunchy, and it's spicy. I'm not too sure that it's suitable for everyone because not everyone will handle this spice. For instance, my family, when I brought them these snacks, like not exactly this, but similar snacks, they couldn't eat anything. So for now, I would rate it 5 out of 5 because it's great. Next up, the viral snack you've probably heard about already, it's Latiao. When you open Chinese TikTok, the only thing you could hear is Latiao, Latiao, Latiao everywhere. So what is Latiao? There are many types of the snack and many ways to make it. The most viral one is made of wheat. They mix wheat with water, they make dough, and then they cut it and they turn it into strips. Today we're gonna try tofu latiao. For tofu-based latiao, the process is similar, but instead of wheat, they use tofu and then they cook it, they cut it into strips or in something like this. And after that, it's covered with chili oil and some spicy sauce. And another thing to point out that wheat latiao dominates the market and it contains a lot of calories. I stumbled upon this video on YouTube which showed how many fats and calories contain latiao and I was shocked. Tofu latiao, apparently it has less calories. They're targeting healthy people and it's a gluten-free option for people. Let's go. Oh, there is no individual packaging inside. It looks like this. I'm not too sure if you can see it. Okay. Smells. Oh, I know. It smells like Xinjiang spices. If you've ever been to one of those Xinjiang restaurants, usually they serve meat on skewers. And the spices are similar. It's, yeah, okay. Let me take one. Okay, the texture is like potato chips. Okay, let's try. Super oily. Interesting. Oh wait. This one is, it's not spicier as you eat. but once you finish, it just starts tickling your throat. Let me try again. I'm not too sure I like it. Too oily, too spicy, and all those sesame seeds. I don't know, not for me. Durian-flavored potato chips. Okay, durian is considered the king of fruits here in Asia, so we must try this one. I must say that I gave a shot to durian 3 years ago and it was terrible. I couldn't eat anything. I wasted a lot of money. As you know, durian is not very cheap. It's quite expensive compared to other fruit. And when I tried it, I couldn't eat it because it was smelly, the texture was weird. I don't put my expectations too high about these potato chips, but I must say that I tried durian candies and I like durian candies. So maybe it's not too bad after all. Oh, my life will never be the same. Okay guys, if I don't get at least 1 follower after this video, I'll cry. Oh. Okay guys, so if you've ever been to one of those fruit shops in Asia where they sell durian along with other fruit like jackfruit and something else, you may know what it smells like. So this is the smell of this potato chips. Also, as you know, there was a smell of sewage in our bathroom a couple of weeks ago, so this is what it smelled like. Anyway, let's try. Just normal potato chips, nothing special. No, not for me. Oh, I just don't know how to describe it. Wait. It's kind of like sweet taste in the very beginning, and then it's like rotten garlic. Like similar to my previous experience with durian, but they just put it on potato chips. And this one is worse because you have some expectations toward potato chips. You expect them to be nice, and once you put it in your mouth, it starts being crunchy and smelly at the same time and sweet, and I don't know, not for me as well. I've instantly regretted that I haven't tried durian as my last snack because I have 2 more snacks to go now, and the smell is in my mouth. I can't get rid of it. And the next snack is this one. And if you think that it looks like pork skin on the stick, you're wrong, same as I was, because apparently it is a tofu on a stick. You know how Chinese people love tofu and they have so many types of tofu. They have hard tofu, soft tofu, black tofu, smelly tofu. Also something I've never tried is smelly tofu. And this is one of these types. I don't think it's individual packaging. Maybe it's all together. So let's just see what it tastes like. Let's give a shot to this snack. Oh, as you can see, it's individual packaging. Oh, wow. That's cool. Looks like this. The size of my hand, a bit smaller. Feels like jelly. All right, let's go. Oh wait, we don't go anywhere. Oh, all right, smells good. Smells really good compared to previous things that we've tried with you guys. This thing smells a lot better. Looks like this inside. Okay, let's give it. Oh, well, actually there is no skewer. It's just like small individual pieces like this. It feels like you're eating pork skin, but much better than Latiao and much better than durian, definitely. It is very sour compared to our previous snacks. It smells slightly different. This one smells like hot pot. If you know, like the spices that they add in hot pot, they're spicy, but this is different type of spicy. It hits you like in an hour or 2 hours. And there is this unique taste. I don't know what exactly they add, but it makes it very delicious. I really like this snack. It looks weird, but it tastes nice. It has multiple flavors. It is sweet, it is salty, it is spicy, and it is sour. I don't know what's going on. I love it. If you have a chance to try this snack, if you're not too picky about textures, you may like it. It's cool. This one is also 4 out of 5. I would definitely try it again. And I certainly see some similarities between these two snacks in terms of spices. They're all cooked in oil, and this one has red pepper, but this one has some other spices, but there are some similarities in flavor. Last but not least, I have to confess, I've been to China before and I'm living here now, and I've never been brave enough to try chicken feet. And the only reason is because they're not visually appealing. You look at them, if there's some claws or nails, you don't fancy eating that, right? So today I'll be brave and I'll try this chicken feet because I didn't buy them. Crystal gave them to me and she said, since you're going to try snacks, you should definitely try this. Maybe I should be open-minded. So let's just go. It looks like this. All right, let's open it. Oh, I'm nervous. Oh, something's sticking out already. Well, the good thing is, guys, there are no nails. It doesn't have any nails. I see that it has a jelly texture. Ooh. I guess you don't have to look at it too much. You just have to try it. Chicken feet are a delicacy here in China, enjoyed by poor and wealthy people. Very often when you go to one of those dim sum restaurants, they serve this chicken feet. Or if you go to a high-end Chinese restaurant, they'll also serve chicken feet. I've never tried fancy chicken feet, but first things first, let's go for this. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Not yummy. It's like eating fat. It has bones inside. Well, it's not terrible. For me, I think durian potato chips were worse. So guys, today I was trying to be open-minded and try 5 new snacks. I definitely like Lotus and I like this tofu, but other snacks did not go well. If you were brave enough, what snack would you try? And have you ever tried any of these snacks? Let me know what's your feedback. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!